Well, as you know, I've got Ben's engine here, this 200 TDI I'm stripping down, and I want to show you one little simple test for these things here, push rods. Because when I was looking through his engine and cleaning up the parts, I've just cleaned these up, but I don't know if you can see on the edge of there, it's got hammer rash. Now, has that come out? I don't know, but it looks like somebody's been beating the bejesus out of it. So I'm going to do a little video, and you're going to like this. Not a lot, but you'll like it. How to test rods. Not Rod Stewart, these rods. Now, I've set up this little testometer here. It's actually a bearing cap off the back of the engine, but it's machined flat. And my desk here, my bench top, is a bit warped, which is ideal really. So what we're going to do is roll them on here. Now usually I use, how do we say, a granite flat surface, but this is something simple you can do at home. So you put your rod on. Now watch this. Watch it very, very carefully. Doesn't roll. Oh. When you do roll it, it's bent. Not bad. Oh, there's another one. That's bent as a 9-bob bit. It's like a dog's hind leg, look. Not too bad. Not too bad. Jump. Bent. What you're looking for is this piece here and this piece here. It has to be perfectly parallel. It shouldn't wander around. It's a bit difficult to see, but I can see looking down from here how bent they actually are. I hope you like that. That was a good one, wasn't it? So I'm going to say just get a set of rods. They're cheap enough. It's going to put an order into Turner's. Get them from them, same as a HS 2.8. In fact, these go way back to the old series trucks. They're all the same.